Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to create product manipulation design mirror effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, add an image. I already have the image, so add it to the canvas and then increase its size. Go to the Edit Image option and click on BG Remove. This will remove the background from the image. Click on the Flip option and choose Flip Horizontal. This will flip the image horizontally. Go to the Color option, choose any color, and select black. Click on Element and add a red light effect. Go to the Edit Image section, scroll down, and click on the Duotone option. Choose Sea Blue for the duotone effect. Click on Highlight and adjust the increase to highlight color. Move the image to the right side and then increase its size. Click on Duplicate and move the duplicated element to the left side. Right-click on the image, go to Layer and select Send to Back. Click on the image again, go to Layer and click on Send Backward. Go to the Apps option and search for Frame. Click on Frame Marker and open it. Then, you need to choose any style from here. You can adjust the size of the triangle as much as you want. You can choose many different styles like this. Then, you need to click on Add to Design and add to the right side. Then you need to create many of these designs. Then go to Elements and add the image again. Click on the Flip option and choose Flip Horizontal. This will flip the image horizontally. Click on the duplicate and add the image to the right side to bottom frame. You need to duplicate this image and add it to the any frame. Then you need to double-click on the right side frame and rotate the image. Next, increase the size. Then double-click on the left side frame and then increase the size. Rotate it, then right-click with the mouse, select the Layer option, and click on Bring to Front. This is our image. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.